Hi from Liguria, this is Luisa Pupo and welcome to a wonderful dish of fried anchovies, which you can see in front of me. Anchovies are a very popular fare throughout the Mediterranean. Once they were so popular and so cheap that they were called the pain du mar, which is sea bread. Now you can enjoy them in numberless preparations and recipes, and of course you can get them fried or baked or stewed. But I would like to focus on your attention on a very special preparation, which is macchetto, an ancient mortar sauce made with salted anchovies, which is probably the heritage of ancient Roman gyro. If you want to enjoy anchovies at their best, enjoy them here in Liguria at the seaside in front of a wonderful calm sea spring or summer day. And if you want to enjoy them at their best, enjoy a nice day in Monterosso. Monterosso in the Cinque Terre is the village which is most known for the quality of its anchovies. So follow me on the next videos and also remember to log in to my Liguria by Luisa blog. Salute and an excellent glass of white Ligurian wine. Salute!